This is a short video to explain the university's position on using AI in your studies. AI is a broad term and it's used to describe computer-based intelligence rather than human intelligence. That term encompasses a broad range of systems, tools and machines. One very popular AI tool is ChatGPT. Using tools in the right way can help students to learn and can help them with their studies. Here's just a few ways that you can use AI tools like ChatGPT and others in your studies at LJMU. They can be study aids. They can help you to generate ideas for assignments or plan and structure those assignments. They can help you with your writing, to prepare and revise for exams, or to undertake research. However, there's a note of caution with that last bullet point. AI tools like ChatGPT and others have a range of potential issues. First of all, they generate answers or responses to the prompts that you ask them, but also based on patterns in the data that they were trained on. Many of these tools have an uploaded data set. However, there is the possibility that that data set might be out of date, may have inaccuracies, or may conclude biases. Tools like ChatGPT and others may not fully understand the context or nuances of complex topics, and that can result in that lack of depth that's really important for certain academic subjects. If the database that they are using has any errors or misleading information, that might lead to a poor output or response. Some AI tools will do what's called hallucinate, and that is essentially a term that means they will actually make things up if they don't have the actual answer. Using AI tools inappropriately may also lead to something called academic misconduct. Academic misconduct is also a broad term that refers to students who attempt to gain an unfair advantage in formal assessments. This includes things like cheating, perhaps in exams, plagiarism. That refers to students who are maybe copying and pasting sources or using other people's work and not confirming that it's another source. It might include what we call collusion, which is when students work together on an assignment that they should be preparing individually. In terms of AI tools, at the university, under the regulations, it's considered a form of potential cheating. You can see that cheating includes a range of different things, but if you refer to the bottom bullet point on the slide that you can see, it also includes the submission of material created using AI software without the knowledge and consent of the module leader. There may be times when your module leader actually builds in the use of AI into workshops, teaching materials, or assessment. And in that case, this wouldn't be considered cheating, but it may be considered cheating if students are using AI tools in a way that's not been approved or without knowledge. If on marking an assignment that you have submitted, your module leader believes that you may have used an AI tool inappropriately, then they have a number of options. One of them is to invite you to a viva. This essentially means that you would be interviewed about the assignment by your module leader and another independent member of the faculty. They may talk to you about how you have prepared the assignments, the conclusion you've reached, or the research that you undertook. They will be aiming to understand whether or not you've written that piece of work yourself. Depending on the outcome of that conversation, or immediately if the faculty member believes they have enough evidence, they may also refer you to an academic misconduct panel. This is a formal panel who meet to consider whether or not you have committed academic misconduct. There would be a chair of that panel and 2 independent faculty members. You would have the opportunity to put forward your version of events. However, If it has been found that you are guilty of academic misconduct, there are a number of potential outcomes or penalties. One might be that you get 0 for the module. You may be required to retake it or the assignment. Or ultimately, if the matter was sufficiently serious or repeated, you could even be withdrawn from the university. When you are submitting academic work, it must be your own. If you draw on other sources, they must be identified using appropriate referencing. Using an AI tool to complete your work, unless it's specifically told that you can or should, may well amount to academic misconduct, and this is a very serious charge. In summary, it's okay to use an AI tool to help you plan your work, to help with your research, taking into account the potential issues that I've mentioned earlier, as instructed by your module leader as part of a task or even as part of an assignment, or to help you with things like exam revision. It is not okay to use a tool to undertake university work and present that work as your own. That would include generating a whole assignment or part of an assignment through AI and not declaring when you've used such a tool. Our advice is to only use AI tools as instructed by your tutor or module leader. If you're not sure whether you can use an AI tool, then just ask. Some of the things that AI tools can help you with are also provided by our academic achievements team who are in the student life building. They can also help you with planning assignments, with feedback, with improving your writing style, and also with tips for exam revision. Do check out their courses and opportunities for one-to-ones. Please also familiarise yourself with the rules on academic misconduct to make sure that you don't breach them inadvertently. Thank you for watching.